Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is a super exciting video for me, at least, because one of my favorite brands sent me some shoes for my bridal era, I guess you could say, and I want to show them to you guys. So starting small and getting bigger, I'm going to show you these. And I do want to say, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. CIRCUS NY, CIRCUS New York by Sam Edelman, reached out to me on TikTok and asked if they could send me a little gift for my bridal era pretty much. And of course I said yes. This is one of my top favorite brands. And so yeah, I was expecting one, maybe two pair, but they sent me four. So the fact that they were so kind, I just have to show you guys. I have worn their shoes for a couple of years now and I've been obsessed. Every single pair of shoes I have from them is comfortable. So I just had to share these with you guys. Okay, so the first pair is just these little, there are these little heels. They're very elegant, dainty. They're perfect for smaller bridal events or more casual bridal events. Okay, so here they are. They are stunning and they're so adorable, and I honestly cannot wait to find a bridal event or make one, create one just for these shoes because they are so cute. Look at them, and the heel is stunning. I love these. I would have never chosen these for myself, but after I put them on, walked around them, and paired them with a couple of outfits, like bridal outfits, I was like, how would I have lived without these? These are so cute and I'm obsessed. Let's take a peek at these. And these I was actually gonna order for myself for our engagement trip, but I ended up not ordering them just because I ran out of budget, I guess you could say. So I am so happy they sent me these. So you guys, y'all are gonna die. They even came in these little dust bags, which I am so happy about. I want to have these on display, but I don't have anything in my office right now where I can display them. So they're gonna stay in these dust bags until I can find somewhere to display them. But oh my gosh, these are stunning. I would have ordered these 100%. I would pay full price for these. I put them on and I currently have like my toes painted white. Too much information, I know, but they look so good and they're so sparkly, and the heel is darling, and it's like the perfect heel height as well. So yeah, how am I not gonna wear these to every single bridal event? I don't know, we'll figure it out, but I will be wearing these guys out. I am so excited. Moving on to the next pair. These, you guys, these are so cute too. Like, honestly, out of the four they sent me, I am obsessed. Like, how do I pick a favorite? I don't know, but you guys let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and which one you would personally order. I want to know what your opinion is, so let me hear it. Okay, so this is the third pair, and this pair can be, I feel like can be dressed up or down, and honestly that's kind of with all of these. It can be dressed up or down. It is a very good material, and they're, you know what, let me just shut up and show you. Just gonna remove the little thing. I've been keeping these in the shoes because I'm so scared. I'm scared of them. They're white, I'm scared. So look at these. They're like this satiny, silky material, and on the buckle there's a little heart. How cute are these? These are going to be absolutely perfect for the spring and the summertime, and our wedding won't be until like next spring and summer, so I'll be able to wear these like more times than I can even count, because I feel like these would be really cute dressed down with a good pair of denim and a really cute top, but also really cute with like a really nice dress. I just think these are stunning. Like, I love these, and I love how chunky the heel is, because that just means they're going to be even more comfortable, and they have a little platform on them as well, which also, in my opinion, makes heels more comfortable. So I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. These are perfect for like festivals, and again, you can dress them up or down. You can wear them to concerts. I just think these are the perfect spring and summer everyday shoe. Okay, it's a little dramatic. Maybe not an everyday shoe because most people wouldn't wear these every day, but they are so cute. When Christian saw these, because he unboxed them with me whenever we got back from our engagement trip, they were literally waiting on my doorstep when we got back from Vegas, our engagement trip. And I was like, what a nice surprise. And when he saw me unbox these, he was like, oh my gosh, because he's been wanting me to get a pair of these forever. But he was like, the fact that they look like that, he was like, that's gonna be perfect for you, baby. That's perfect. So I have to, like, oh my gosh. These also come with a little dust bag. I don't want to show off too much before they're unboxed or unbagged, I guess you could say. But you guys, look. Oh my gosh. This is like the 40th time I've pulled these out of this box, and it just surprises me every single time because they are stunning. Like, just put them on display and let them rotate. These are so gorgeous. And to be honest, whenever they messaged me, asked me for my size and everything, and I usually wear, in the boots that I have from them, they're a 6.5. So I messaged them and I was like, I'm usually bigger in heels. So it's like, hey, I think I would be like a 7 because my boots are a 6.5. So let's just go with a 7. And then a week before our engagement trip, I went to Nordstrom Rack to try on some heels, and there were some Circus by Sam Edelman heels there. And I tried on the 7 and it was way too small. So I was like, oh my gosh. And luckily I was able to find like a 7.5, and so I tried on multiple shoes in a 7.5, and I instantly messaged them and I was like, I am so sorry, but my size is actually a 7.5. I just tried some on and the 7 is small. So they were super nice, and they were like, no, it's okay, like, it's fine, we got it taken care of. 7.5 it is, like, it's fine. So luckily they're super sweet. And so these are a 7.5, but these fit a little smaller than my other boots do, and I think it's just because they're a little bit more narrow and they come to a point toe. So this 7.5 is actually perfect for me. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or want this sizing info, or if you guys want me to style these shoes with different bridal outfits or different white outfits, or even just spring and summer outfits, please let me know. Leave it in the comments. I would love to style these for you guys. Okay, you guys, I know this was a super short video. I didn't want to keep you guys hanging for a long time, so I just made it super short and quick for you guys, especially people that don't like long videos. But thank you so much for sticking around. I am so excited for styling these shoes. So again, if you guys want me to put one of those videos together, I don't mind doing it. I actually love doing it. So let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what types of videos you guys would like to see from me, that you enjoy watching or that you enjoy seeing from other creators, and we can get that going as well. So yeah, I have all of my socials linked in the description box if you would like to come and follow me over on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram. And yeah, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys.